Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Ask s squared s to the power of 3. We can do about factorization. This one is about identity. So I will put about s plus 1 to the power of 2. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s, capital B over s plus 1 to the power of 2, and capital C over s plus 1. Because we have the power 2 in here, that's why we need to have about 2 fractions. And we need to reduce the power from number 2 to number 1. Now, we need to do common denominator. About this one, this is missing about s plus 1 to the power of 2. This one, about capital B, this one missing about s. About C, this one is missing about s plus 1 and s. And now we need to expand. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. About s squared we have a plus c. About s we have number 2 multiplied by a. And we have 2a. We have b. And we have c. About the number we have a. Now we need to compare coefficients. About s squared we have a plus c. So this one we have s squared. So a plus c equals to number 1. Coefficient of s squared, that is about number 1. This one we have s. Coefficient of s is about number 1. So 2a plus b plus c equals to number 1. And the last one, a equals to negative number 1. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of ABC. So a equals to negative number 1, b equals to number 1, c equals to number 2. And now we put ABC go back in here. So a equals to negative number 1, b equals to number 1, c equals to number 2. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over s plus 1. And the last one, that's about 2 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And we put about c in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.